Hello friends, welcome back again to the new interesting video of Power BI Masterclass series. And today in this video, we will track our customers activity. So what I mean is I want to track which product the customers has been ordered in the last time. And I want the date also. So let's see how we can do this. For that, we need to add first a slicer. So I'll select a slicer. So in this slicer, we will add the customers names here. So we have the customers names in the customers company column. So let's add it. So let's increase the size of it. So let's change first of all this customer company. Choose customers names, and I'll increase this headers to 14, and let's say values to uh, 14. Yeah. So we have the customer's name. I want the this Alfred, which product this Alfred is ordered in the last time, and when they ordered. So that's why what I want. So for that, I'll create a measure here. So I'll right click on it, and I'll go to a new measure. So this measure, let's expand this. Yeah. So this measure, uh, for this measure, I'll say product, last product ordered, ordered. So I'll go to new line. So here I'll use, let's use some x function, an iterator function. So all x functions are iterator functions. So here we need to provide a table here. So here I'll use top n function. For the n value, I want the last product order. So I'll use one only. And here we need to provide a table here. So here I'll use calculate table function. So this table function, it evaluates the table expression in a context modified by the filters. So what this does is it will evaluate a table in a in the filter context, and we use the calculate function also. That calculate function, what it does, it will evaluates an expression in a filter context. That's the difference only. Yeah, the table is the difference. So here we need to provide a table here. I'll use a summarize table, that is a virtual table. So I'll use a summarize function, and for this we need to provide a table here. So I use orders table, and in this summarize table, I just want to have order date. So we have the order date. So this summarize table contains only the order date. So this calculate table, it has now the order date. So here we need to provide a filter context here, filter expression. So I'll use all function here to remove any external filters which is applied to the product name. So it should be product name. So what I want is I want the product name only. I want which product the customer has been ordered the last time, and I'll close this. So we have the product names here now. So we have the top n one value and the table also, and I want to order this by the expression, that is by order date. Yeah, and I want this to be in a descending order. Close this. So we have the top end function completed. Now for the expression, I want the total sales. So let's hit enter here. So what we done is we use the sum x function, an iterator function, and here we use the top end function. So this function, it's completed here. Yeah. So this function has a table here. Sorry, this sum x function, this function has this top end function, this table containing a table. That table contains the product name ordered by the order date. Yeah, and I want their sales only. Simple. I'll hit enter. Now let's see what we get. So let's add a column chart here. Last product ordered. You can see now what I want is I want the product name. So let's add a product name here in the x-axis. So now you can see we have the too many products here because we didn't add any filters here. So let's add the data labels also, data labels. And what I want is I want this in a dollars. So let's format it here, this to be in a states, US dollars. Yes. Now let's close this. Now let's select Born app customers. Now you can see Born app customers has ordered these three products and their sales only, their sales here. And let's see Cactus, Comidas. So now you can see they have ordered these two products and their sales. Now what I want is I want when they ordered, when these Cactus Comidas has ordered these two last product. So let's see. So for that, we need to create another measure. So I'll say I want to create a new measure here, and here I'll say mm, last order date. So it is a pretty simple syntax. We just need to use max function. So if we use min function, then it will return min of this order date, and then it will return what, it will return the oldest date, oldest order date. If we use this max of order date, that means it will return the most recent, you can say, yeah, most recent order date only. So let's hit enter. Now we will just simply add a card here. So let's select a card, sorry, this is not the card, this card. And let's add the last order date. You can see, let's format this also. I just want the short date. You can see. Let's adjust this here. Let's select something. Now you can see none of the filters got selected yet. So let's select Alfred's, the first customer. Now you can see the product name of the this Alfred customer has ordered these two products uh, in the most recent time, and their when they ordered was in this date. So let's select around the horn. You can see there these two products they have ordered in the last time and their date also. So